reasonably healthy things to eat. You might be able to get some nuts or a protein bar.
Bro, yo, they actually do have nothing healthy. Like, whenever I pull up, yo, that's why I'm happy the next video is Wawa. Because whenever I pull up to, like, a gas station, dude, the only healthy shit they have is, like, salads, man. Like, they have nuts, but a lot of it's, like, trail mix.
You might be able to get some...
And it has, like, fucking... chocolate and like random candies in it.
Nuts or a protein bar. But other than that, it's just chips, candy, processed food, and some fried stuff.
Don't forget about the rollin' wieners. Don't forget about the rollin' wieners. Get a taquito. I will say, bro, that's fire. Pulling up 3 a.m., 7-Eleven. You see one of those taquitos just rolling. It's a spicy chicken taquito.